Hello guys, New Apple Times here, welcome to a new video, and today I'm in my unboxing place because I have here a box and I have here a ton of iPhones that are most of my collection, except from my 8 Plus that is actually right there. But yeah, today I have here this box from eBay, and inside here there's actually, you already know from the title, but there's actually an iPhone 2G. And yeah, so as you see, I collect iPhones, and this one was one that I didn't have, and yeah, I finally managed to get it for a reasonable price, and right now we're going to open it. So yeah, it's not sealed or anything, I mean it's used, it's in not a very bad condition, but it's not perfect, so we'll see what we get. At least from the pictures it didn't look that bad. Oh, this is really well wrapped, but finally, here it should be. Come on. Okay, so I'm gonna put this away. Package finally now open. And yeah, this is it. It comes in a really well thing. I already see it here. Can't wait to open it, so I'm not going to wait. Here more bubble wrap. So let's do the unboxing. More bubble wrap. And wow! Wow! I'm so cool. Look, I don't know if it will turn on. Yes, it does. It does have battery. Wow! Oh my god. I didn't know this was aluminum, but I kind of forget, and it's quite cold. So yeah, this down here is plastic for all the antenna bands and everything. This is the 8GB. The very first one was 4GB, but it was only sold for a few months, and yeah, now then they switched to the 8GB for the base model, and it just turned on. And there's a picture of a dog. Actually, I cannot reset this because I don't have an AT&T SIM card, and I will not be able to activate it if I do. But the vibration works. Let's see the camera. It's also in French, which is not nice. But yeah, the camera works as well, quite well. And yeah, let's take a picture. Oh my god, it's so laggy. Let's see the version that it's in. The home button works quite well. So let's see settings. Here it is. And I'm gonna go to general. It's in French. Informations. Batteries right now. And iOS 3.1.2, which wasn't even iOS, but it was iPhone OS 3.1.2. And wow, I'm so excited. As you can see, it's not perfect, not mint, but yeah, it doesn't have many scratches. So yeah. So he will be joining the rest of the collection. And wow, I finally got an iPhone 2G. I don't think I will jailbreak it, just because I like to be pure, you know. I like to have everything perfect. And yeah, all the buttons work perfectly. Wow, this is so nice. So yeah, this is basically it. Please tell me down below in the comments if you want to see any video about the original iPhone. I'm thinking in making a comparison between the 8 Plus and this one. Also probably one for the camera. And yeah, wow, it's so cool, so nice. And actually it's actually thinner than the 3G. I thought it was thicker. It does look thicker, but it's thinner. That's nice. So yeah, so this has been pretty much everything. Thank you very much for watching, and yeah, stay tuned for more videos about the iPhone, and also subscribe down below if you want to miss them. And also if you don't want to miss anything about Apple, because I post Apple related videos every week, like at least I try 2 times a week, and some weeks it's even more. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.